Welcome to Defense News Plus.
The next ship to be built in the country for the Indian Navy would be a nuclear energy powered aircraft carrier having 10-fold or more endurance power than the diesel powered INS Vikrant. INS Arihant, which is protecting the country's seas, is powered a 50 megawatt light water reactor which helps it to remain underneath the seas for months. A Bhabha Atomic Research Center scientist stated India has the capability and expertise to build nuclear-powered aircraft carrier. It is for the country's top bosses to decide when to launch the mission. INS Vikrant is set to join the Indian Navy by 2022. The other aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya is nearing its age of superannuation. Vikramaditya was built in 1987 and the carrier may not be able to give extension of service because of inherent issues. The then Navy Chief Suresh Mehta stated during his farewell visit to Chennai, "We need a couple of aircraft carriers, but the decision has to be taken at the highest level." Next update, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited stated on Monday it has successfully carried out the ground run and low-speed taxi trials of the Hindustan 228 aircraft for the DGCA type certification. The event was part of 75th Independence Day celebrations at Hindustan Aeronautics Limited's Kanpur facility on Sunday. DGCA Director Indranil Chakraborty said the type certification will also enable Hindustan Aeronautics Limited to get the international certification for the aircraft. The aircraft complies with the latest FAR 23 certification requirements. The statement said these aircraft could be utilized successfully by civil operators and state governments for their intra- and interstate connectivity with seamless support towards training, maintenance and logistics. The Hindustan 228 is a 19-seater multi-role utility aircraft built for various applications such as VIP transport, passenger transport, air ambulance, flight inspection roles, cloud seeding, and recreational activities like para-jumping, jumping, aerial surveillance, photography, and cargo applications. Next update, in a major boost to the capabilities of Indian Coast Guard, 3 more advanced light helicopters, Dhruv Mk3, have been inducted into the Indian Coast Guard on Monday. The helicopters would be used for search and rescue operations and will increase coastal security. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited will provide 16 Dhruv Mk3 helicopters to the Indian Coast Guard by mid-2022. The Indian Coast Guard deployed the first 3 helicopters earlier in June. These advanced light helicopters Mk3 squadrons will ensure seamless surveillance and assist the fishermen in distress at sea. The helicopters featured with medical intensive care unit, state-of-the-art equipment like surveillance radar, electro-optic pod, high-intensity searchlight, machine gun, SAR Homier, and loud hailer. Next update, Radha Electronics Industries Limited, a leading global provider of advanced software-defined tactical radars for the Maneuver Force, and Alpha Design Technologies Private Limited, a 1,200 people-strong professional research and development production organization, have signed a memorandum of understanding to establish a joint venture to market, manufacture, sell, and support radars in India. According to the Indian government's policies of Make in India, RADA decided to establish a strong local presence in India in partnership with a leading local defense company offering the private and public defense industry in India advanced locally adapted and produced tactical radars as per the requirements of the Indian Armed Forces. Among the operational missions in which the advanced technology would be used are mobile short-range air defense, artillery and rockets, active protection of armored vehicles, counter-UAV, counter-mortars and others.
That's it for today. If you like our work, then please hit the like button, share this video and do subscribe this channel to get the notification of the next video. Thank you.